Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the example that we are going to create in the next 4 videos. So here is the example, and if you see, we have 4 data grid views. So this is one data grid view. This is the second one. It is the third one, and here we have one more data grid view. So fill publishers, fill employees, and fill jobs. All these buttons will fill the relevant data grid view. Publishers from publisher table, employees information from employee table, job detail information from jobs table of the PubSet database. So when we initially load all these 3 data, the data tables are created in a data set, and we will not be having any relationship between these 3 data tables. So the button set navigation will create a data relation object for publisher and employee, and it will create one more data relation object to establish a relationship between employee and job detail. So if you see here, an employee works for a specific publisher, and an employee plays a specific job role. Or we can state it this way: when you pick a specific job, there will be multiple employee who is playing that job role. Right here, if you see sales representative, there will be multiple employee who is a sales representative. And if you come back here, when you pick a specific publisher, there will maybe multiple employee who is working for a specific publisher, right? So set pub title. So when you click this button, it will set a relationship between publisher and titles table. And the titles table, if you see, it doesn't show that in any of the grid. So set pub title will set a relationship between publisher as well as titles. So when you click here, on the fly, we will be creating a titles table, and we will add it to the data set. Then we will establish a relationship between publisher and title, right? So if you see here, there is a relation between publisher and employee, and there is a relationship between employee and job title. There is a relation between publisher as well as title, right? And we will use this relation to show the book title by a specific publisher. So when you click this button, we will show the publisher name here. If you see, Binet and Hardley, and all the book published by the Binet and Hardley publishers, right? So first you have to pick a record, then click this button, and it will show all the titles that belongs to the specific publisher. Next, finally, you can click on this sales summary button. It will create title ID from title table, publisher ID from publisher table. We will also display the title, book title. Then we will derive these summary column: sales count, maximum, minimum, average, right? That means here we will be walking between the publisher as well as title, right? And we will show how many sales is done, and what is the maximum sale, and what is the minimum sale, and what is the average sale. So here you will be learning how we can form the expression by traversing the relation between the publisher and the title. Alright, that's all about this example. Here you will come to know how to load data table and keep that in the data set, then how to create the data relation and navigate through the relation, right? So here it is auto navigation, and here we will be performing the filtering, and here we will use the expression. From next video onwards, we will start writing the code. Thank you for watching. Bye.